What is Steerable Wheel Module? It's all in the name. Vonderlande's Steerable Wheel Module is a solution designed to redirect and align material flow between conveyors. The flow is redirected by altering the angle of the carrier wheels in relation to the main flow. How does its design stand out? The Steerable Wheel Module, SWM, is a simplified system with one-level operation and no pop-up mechanism. Its cassette design offers higher transfer rates and increased throughput capacity compared to traditional belt transfers. When integrated with Vonderlande's parcel sortation solutions, the SWM boosts capacity, reduces manual labor, and has minimal footprint thanks to its powerful bi-direction driven wheels and modular plug-and-play design. How does it contribute to facilitating maintenance? The simplified system allows for fewer operators and minimal training required to proceed with maintenance activities, while its modular plug-and-play approach makes maintenance easier with no significant impact on operations. As a result, maintenance is faster, more cost-effective, and there is no requirement for a skilled team to be present on site.